This snack is made with just 3 ingredients. This is a no baking recipe that you will absolutely love. You will enjoy making this recipe because it doesn't require much, just 3 basic ingredients you already have at home. Join me, let me show you how to make it. We'll be needing 400 grams of biscuits. Any biscuits is fine. Then we go ahead and add it to a blender and blend it. Once we are done blending, we'll go ahead and transfer the biscuits into a bowl. Next, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, that is 20 grams. Then we go ahead and mix it very well until it's properly combined. Once that is done, we'll be adding 200 milliliters of milk. And then we go ahead to mix it until it forms a dough. I'll be using my hands for this, but you can use a spatula if you want. This is what mine looks like after mixing. Next, we'll be transferring the biscuit mixture to a cling film or a parchment paper, but I'll be using cling film for this. And then we go ahead and roll it into a log. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and transfer it to a freezer to set. This takes about 10 minutes in the freezer. After 10 minutes in the freezer, this is what we have. Then we go ahead and take out the cling film and slice it to our desired shape. At this point, you can enjoy the snack, but we want to take it a step further. Because we want to be extra, we are going to be melting milk chocolate. I'll be using 100 grams of melted milk chocolate. Then I'll go ahead and dip the snack into it. And finally, this is what we have. Will you be trying this recipe at home? I hope you try it and let me know in the comment section how it turns out for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please support the channel by liking the video, dropping a comment below and subscribing. Also check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you will find something else you love. Feel free to share this recipe and any other recipe in this channel with your loved ones. Tell someone to tell someone about this channel. Let me know in the comment section any other 3 ingredients recipe you would like to see me make next. If you have any questions, please write it down in the comment section and I'll surely get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.